Hello friends, I am V. Sridhar, Maths lecturer from My Dreams Academy, so Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. So today I will explain few more questions from locus. So the next question. So if a variable line is moving such that the intercepts made by it on the coordinate axis are reciprocal to each other, then the point px comma y on the line satisfy the first one is x plus y greater than 4, 4xy greater than 1, 4xy less than 1, x plus y is equal to 4. So here, so actually what is given, a variable line is moving such that, so the intercept made by it on the coordinate axis are reciprocal with each other, means x intercept and y intercept both are reciprocal with each other. That is a condition. Actually we know the, suppose equation of straight line in intercept form. Suppose this is a x intercept, this is y intercept, then the equation of line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. If x intercept a, y intercept b, then the equation of line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But here already given that x and y intercepts are both are reciprocal with each other. Reciprocal. If suppose x intercept is a, so y intercept is 1 by a, then that equation becomes x by a plus y by 1 by a is equal to 1. This is the equation. So here x by a plus ay is equal to 1. Now take the LCM here. A is the LCM. X plus a square y, x plus a square y is equal to 1, or x plus a square y is equal to a. Now here, so a square y minus a square y minus a plus x is equal to 0, a square y minus a plus x equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. In terms of a. So here we are discussing about the real part. So if the roots are real, so the discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Already we know that. So b square, so here compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So a is equal to, so a is equal to y, coefficient of, okay, a is equal to y, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to x, b equal to minus 1, c equal to x, b square minus 1 whole square, 4 into ac. So ac means xy is greater than 0. This is our condition. So 1 minus 4xy is greater than 0. So send minus 4xy on that side. So 1 is greater than 4xy. 1 is greater than 4xy. 1 is greater than 4xy. So or 4xy. Okay, 4xy is less than 1. So 4xy, 1 is greater than 4xy, or 4xy is less than 1. 4xy is less than 1. So our option is, so third option is true. So next question, fourth question. Suppose for a real variable a greater than a. So consider the point ak is equal to ka comma a to the power of k, where k is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on up to n in the Cartesian plane. So if alpha comma beta represent arithmetic mean of x coordinate and geometrical mean of y coordinates of ak. Now here, so then the locus of p alpha comma beta. So this one also recent question. So this one also, so EAMCET 2021 question. So this one also recent question. So here for a real variable a greater than 1, consider the point ak is equal to ka comma ak. Our required point is ak is equal to ka comma ak, and k is equal to, k is already given, k is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on. 1, 2, 3 up to so on n. This is the k values. Now you are already given that. So these are the point in the Cartesian plane. Alpha, beta represent the arithmetic mean AM of x coordinate and geometrical mean of y coordinate. Suppose already we know that arithmetic mean of a comma b is equal to a plus b by 2. So geometrical mean of a comma b is equal to ab whole to the power of 1 by 2. If the two quantities are there, then geometrical mean is ab whole to the power of 1 by 2. If three quantities are there, then arithmetic mean of abc is a plus b plus c by 3. Geometrical mean is abc whole to the power of 1 by 3. So these are the arithmetical mean, geometrical mean. Already given that arithmetical mean of alpha is the arithmetical mean of x coordinate. Arithmetical mean of x coordinate. So this is x coordinate. Ka already given that k equal to 1, 2, 3. Therefore 1 into a, 2 into a, 3 into a, up to so on, n into a by n. Up to so on by n. Now here take the a is common. So alpha is equal to a is common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on plus n by n. So here already we know that the sum of the natural numbers is equal to a into n plus 1 by 2. So already we have the n is there. So n into n plus 1 by 2, already we have n is there. So n gets cancelled. So alpha is equal to a into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the first equation. So here finally we want to find the locus of alpha comma beta. So this is the first condition, and the second condition is what? Beta represent the geometrical mean of y coordinate. Beta is equal to geometrical mean of y coordinate. So here also same, a to the power of 1 into a to the power of 2, a to the power of 3 up to a to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n. So here simplify further here. So bases are same, they are in multiplication, power should be added. So a to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n. So sum of the natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 1 by n. 1 by n, and n gets cancelled. Beta is equal to a to the power of n plus 1 by 2. n gets cancelled. So this is equation 2. So by using these two, find the equation of locus. That is our required answer. So here, so alpha is equal to a into n plus 1 by 2, beta equal to a to the power of n plus 1 by 2. So now here in the given equation, so a is not there, so just terminate the a value from equation 1 and substitute that value in the equation 2, we'll get the answer. So from equation number 1, a is equal to 2 alpha by n plus 1, a equal to 2 alpha by n plus 1, substitute this a value in this equation. So beta is equal to a to the power of n plus 1 by 2. Now squaring on both sides, if we squaring on both sides, we'll get a to the power of n plus 1. Now substitute in place of a, this equation, beta square is equal to 2 alpha by n plus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. So this is our required answer. So in place of x, substitute, in place of alpha substitute x, in place of beta substitute y. So we'll get the, so beta square, y square is equal to 2x by n plus 1 into whole to the power of n plus 1. So our required option is, so B is correct answer. So next question. So a is equal to 2 comma 3, b is equal to 3 comma minus 5, be the two vertices of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is such that C is a point on the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Then the locus of centroid of triangle ABC. Here we want to find the locus. We want to find the locus of centroid of triangle ABC, and already given that C is a point. C is a point on the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So here the vertices of triangle are A equal to 2 comma 3, B is equal to 3 comma minus 5. So we don't know the C point. C is assume that C is x comma y. C is a x comma y. Now we want to find the locus of centroid of triangle ABC. Suppose our diagram is like this: A is 2 comma 3 and B is 3 comma minus 5 and C is x comma y, and already given that C lies on 3x plus 4y. C lies on 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. See, third point lies on this line. So 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we want to find the centroid. So centroid, assume that centroid is h comma k. So now we know the centroid formula. So G is equal to G of h comma k is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. That is 5 plus x by 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So next comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 by 3. Okay, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, x plus y by 3. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, that is y minus 2 by 3. Now here equate h is equal to 5 plus x by 3, k is equal to y minus 2 by 3. Now find the equation in terms of x comma y and substitute that x comma y values in the given equation. We will get the equation in terms of h comma k. So that is our required equation of locus. Now here, so x is equal to 3h minus 5. From this equation find the x value 3h minus 5. So from this equation find the y value 3k plus 2. But x comma y lies on this. So 3 of 3h minus 5 plus 4 of so 3k plus 2, 4 of 3k plus 2, 4y 3k plus 2 minus 5 equal to 0. Now here 9h minus 15 plus 12k plus 8 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here 9h plus 12k minus 15 minus 5 minus 15 minus 5 minus 20 plus 8, that is minus 12, that is 12 is equal to 0. Now take the common here. Suppose 3 is common, 3 is common and cancel. So 3h plus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. 3h plus 4k minus 4 equal to 0. Now we want to find the equation of locus of centroid. So here substitute in place of h and k, x comma y. 3x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. So our required option is, so first option is true. Please like, share, subscribe the My Dreams channel, and for more details contact the following numbers. Thank you very much.